Understanding Code Review, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting and important concept in the world of programming and software development: code review. Whether you're new to English, programming, or both, this video will help you understand what code review is and why it's so crucial in the tech industry. So, let's get started. Code review is a process where programmers check each other's code for errors, bugs, and improvements. It's like proofreading, but for code. The main goal is to ensure that the code is of high quality, easy to understand, and does what it's supposed to do. During a code review, more experienced programmers might give feedback to less experienced ones, helping them learn and grow. Code review is not just about finding mistakes. It's about improving the overall quality of the software. By reviewing code, programmers can find and fix errors quickly, share knowledge and learn from each other, make sure the code follows the project's guidelines, improve the security and efficiency of the code. Code review can be done in different ways. 1. Peer review. One programmer reviews another's code. 2. Pair programming. Two programmers write code together, reviewing as they go. 3. Group review. A team of programmers reviews the code collectively. In all these methods, the focus is on constructive criticism and learning. To make code review productive, keep these tips in mind. Be respectful and constructive with feedback. Focus on the code, not the coder. Be clear about why a change is needed. Remember, no one writes perfect code. Code review is a valuable part of the software development process. It helps improve code quality, fosters learning, and builds a strong team. We hope this video has helped you understand the concept of code review better. Keep coding and learning, and see you in the next video.